Now I'd like to introduce Peter Malkin.
I'm back, and this time it's personal.
You know, I know what they are. I'm sure you've seen the video.
It sucks.
You get off your couch, shut off your computer, call some people you know, who always know about up-and-coming music.
We want to do a 360 record deal with the socially irresponsible networkers?
A 360-degree deal?
Yeah.
But it was really about the frustration of the overwhelming amount of digital tools.
I'd like to delve into all the new personal digital tools out there and let you decide what constitutes overkill.
Once music is ready to sell, good luck. Yeah, big dick management, where we're bigger than our artists.
Did you say big dick management?
Wait till you feel like you need a feed reader for your reader. Say that 10 times fast. There's this really cool device that you can take with you wherever you go that allows you to call people, email, or text them. It's called a smartphone. Find Me allows your mobile device to tag where you are. Well, that'll go over really well.
This is Butthead from We're Okay Records.
Oh, hey. Nice to meet you. You guys hanging in there?
We're okay.
TwitPic, TwitGoo, and Twixter for sharing pictures, TwitterShare and TweetCube for sharing files. TwitPicker adds Twitter photos to the Flickr site, while SnapTweet allows you to add Flickr pics to Twitter site. TwitSay for recording and sharing your voice. I'm not making this stuff up, I swear.
One thing to keep in mind that's really important, no matter what, don't forget, the music has to be great, or I don't know what we're talking about. Why would I want to do a 360-degree deal with your company?
TwitterTail records all the swearing that you do and lists it on the site. Are you fucking kidding me with that shit? Okay, TwitterTail, how many was that?
Now that I think about it, I'm not sure if any of them even exist anymore. You might have sued them all out of existence. While on tour, the artist should make sure that they're tweeting on Twitter and checking it on Foursquare when they enter a new town, a new venue, a hotel, a bathroom, whatever.
YouTube for sharing videos in case you never heard of that one.
We know another one of your strengths is distribution. Of course, I could be recording the conversation we're having right now, slap a beat on it, and distribute it myself tonight on the internet. Finally, what might be just as effective as everything mentioned in this video would be to get off your couch, shut off your computer, call some people you know, who always know about up-and-coming music, or go to your local venue which features up-and-coming artists, and go out and actually interact with human beings.
Settle down, Peter.
Get their instantaneous reaction, and one by one, build fans the old-fashioned way. Direct human interaction. Thank you.
Thank you.
You mind if I give you a piece of advice?
Yes.
Twits like me. Twits like me?
If you're asking me if this has affected me personally, what do you think?
You got a job for me?
I gotta go. I gotta go take a WikiLeak.